When you raise your hand like this, both of them together, then you take it down to the side and open it up. Bring it back up, close it again, both of them at the same time. Take it back down, open it up. If that palm is white and no red blood circulation is going through, old folks used to say we need to get back to the remedies. They knew, and the body knows when something is going bad with you. That's a sign of a clot. My hands red as ever. Red as ever. Get back to nature. Your nature. You only will have one house. One thing to really take care of. Take care of this thing. This old body right here. All of it. Even down to the spot where we come from. It takes two. It takes two to make your ass come out. It takes two to make you come on now. Yeah, look at that. Shining star. Mason gone with Momma Nature. See that? It's that time. Easter. Now, why does Easter change? Why does the days change? If it's only one day, then let it be that day. But it's about the solstice. It's about the solstice. Get back to nature. Easter. 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 You better get back and untrain what you've been taught, because it's a different way. Plain and simple, it's a different way. It's more than one way. But what was we taught? So even with using the refrigerator, we use it over. We overuse it. We abuse it. Put things in it and it goes bad. Instead of temporarily storing things that you harvest yourself. Harvesting life the natural way. The natural way. You eat what you get. Killing these animals, they're a living being also. The old way back in the day, they used to do it just on spiritual days and just on ceremonial days. No disrespect, but that we all gotta go. On life and death, we come and we go. Everything's got a season. It comes and it dies, just like the leaves on the tree, Mama. You better get back. Get back to what's realer than anything we try to, these clothes that I put on. I'm still this skin underneath, and it goes so deep all the way down. All the way down. Get back to nature no matter what. Get back. Give back. You can tell how much bullshit you put in your body by going to your garbage and seeing what's in there. If it's loaded, then you know you loading things naturally, unnatural in your body. That's bull. But if you eat vegetables, fruit, they say they don't even put meat in a compost pan. But if you eat vegetables and fruit, you can compost that and it make new dirt and it keep on regenerating no matter what. Caskets. They don't deteriorate. They don't go back to Mother Nature. What you've been taught, does it really make sense when you break it down and think about it? I don't know. And do you know? Do we know? African proverbs. If I can't, you can't, we can't. Each one teach one. Mason gone with Momma Nature. Not those street lights, which is not natural, but nature. Nature. And in the morning, that thing that resurrected, that died a few hours ago, will resurrect on that east side. God's son, not the S-O-N, but the S-U-N, because we all man. Whoa, man, the womb, man, and the man. It's so much that we gotta rethink, regenerate, redo. So much. So much. Learn something new. Make it a forceful habit to learn something new. Learn something new. If you're not where you want to be, learn a new way to get out of that and get where you want to be. Where they say you should not want, but where you would feel comfortable being. Back to the refrigerator. Do we really need to store all that stuff? Temporary things. I can't even think of what they are, because you're supposed to drink water at room temperature. Just like with grease, if grease gets cold, then it solidifies. Room temperature. Do we need to cook with grease? Or was grease made for a body, which we can get it from Momma Nature? I even got sweet peas going, but I got a nice log area I'm going to put. I don't even know if I'm going to do that now, because it's taking plastic. I was going to put pots there and let flowers grow over and hang out, but I'll put it in Momma Nature and just use the logs. I'm going to start exercising with them. You ain't got to go to pay no membership somewhere. Get out and enjoy nature. Take a walk. Lift your arms. Lift something up. You know, it's something in your house that you need to lift up and take out. Do it. Do it, but I got sweet peas over there growing. All kind of different flowers. Dandelion. Don't kill the dandelion. It's not a weed. A weed is anything. So if you got a tomato garden, it's just tomatoes supposed to be in that little bitty area. If a pepper, anything else, a piece of grass, which has a name, is not a weed. It's considered a weed because it's not supposed to be there. According to who? Because everything needs something else to grow, to get better. We need each other. If it wasn't for us having each other, I mean, I'd be doing this for myself. I'm doing it for myself now, but, you know, we wouldn't be saying this if I wasn't trying to spread it to somebody else, plain and simple. We are one. We are one. The music just came by, that old man. Even with, if I pronounce the lyrics or, put that in our mind, rap music, what is it doing? What is it doing? Is it a LL Cool J, I Need Love? And even that's a man being a man, but even that Let me think of something that is positive. Rock in. I I don't even know at this point. But even playing video games, if you're competing against each other, oh, I can get this most kills. I can score this touchdown. I can slam this. Oh, did you see him slam it? Oh, shit. The motherfucker didn't do nothing but throw a ball through a hoop. Like that's spectacular. Spectacular is not that. That's why I started teaching kids how to grow, because in Mother Nature, win, 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 no matter what. In that game, somebody can lose and it's competing against somebody else, not bringing somebody else. I'm going to end up leaving this game with bragging rights. But what about coming together, lifting each other up? Where's the video games that do that? Where is the video game that does that? Sexed your chick. I sold this dope. I shot this motherfucker. Psh, what good is that? Sometimes it might be good, but when it's building a person, because even if you did some stupid shit like that, you gotta sleep with that. That subconscious, man, it'll get you. It'll get you. Right. Win-win no matter what with the garden and the kids. You can grow it. You getting exercise. You ain't going to no gym, paying somebody to be in a closed-in environment and not getting this full oxygen that is fresh. So fresh. My bad. Cars riding by, not all fresh. But better than being closed in, breathing other people's stuff. And some ass too. They only handle microns, but viruses is nanos. You think they stopping that? It's like what's his name? Man, KT, the arch degree, like he said. That's like taking a chicken wire and trying to keep a mosquito out. You ain't gonna do it. You're not gonna do it. Win-win no matter what. Win-win no matter what. You grow that vegetable. You can eat that vegetable if it grows. You can trade, which we don't even do the natural barter trades. Let me listen. He just said the money grow on trees, man. He just went back to Mother Nature. Psh. Cotton, silk, all that, man. Paper. Win-win no matter what. In the garden, you get an exercise, meditation, because when you look at that plant, you think about just looking at that plant, you meditate, and everything else around you disappears. Peace of mind, knowing that one day, if I treat this with love, this will nourish my house, me, my body. That's all I got. That's all you got. That's all we got. Not we, because we got each other. We got each other. Each one teach one. We got each other. If it don't grow in the garden, win, no matter what, you got free compost. Natural compost. And a learning lesson. You learn. If Mr. Harlan, thank you. If you don't kill a plant 3 times, you don't know that plant. You gotta know the water, the light, the nutrients, the companion. You gotta know. So don't be scared to fail at anything. I messed this recipe up. I'm sorry. Not sorry. I learned. But do you change your mistakes and learn from your mistakes? Win-win no matter what. Win-win no matter what in the garden. Mother Nature. Mason gone with Momma Nature. I'm gone for her. Yeah. You have a good night. That bright light. I can go in the back, ain't no lights back there, but that bright light right there. Right there. Mm-mm-mm. The moon is shining. Happy Easter, people. It's about the solstice. It's not about a person. Because if you died or resurrected on that day, it will be that same day. If you do it on that day, it'll be that day forever. Can't go back and change it, but you can fix what you just learned from. Will we? Will you? I'm trying. Peace. Learn something new every day. Mason gone with Momma Nature. Mother Nature will treat you. She'll teach you. She'll treat you. Man, I said peace, but music playing. Every day I was sitting in the hits, How about getting out and listening to them birds sing in the morning? Natural. Talk with them, sing with them, harmonize with them. They're natural. They don't pay. We're the only living thing that continues to eat meat. To continue to drink milk after weaning. Even a dog will kick that puppy away after time. If you try to give a cow milk, a full-grown bull, or a full-grown cow milk, it ain't gonna take it. Even that cow, that heifer will kick that calf away. Learn something new. Make it a better day. On that note, y'all have a blessed night. Nah, my bad. Be more. Don't be less. Momma Nature gives you more than what you need. Everything you need. But do we treat her right? Good night.